You want organizers, right?
This is perfect.
Mama still don't clean it up a bit. Ay, it's okay.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay na?
That was scary.
So, ito po yung medicine ng aking asawa. Yan. Ganyan yung pag-transport po ng medicine, biomedicine ng asawa ko. Yan. Para kasabihin nyo, fake lang para may viewers. Walang fake dito sa channel na to. Ang sinasabi natin na yun talaga yun ang buhay, totoong buhay natin dito. Hello everyone, welcome to Portugal. This is Jem. And today po, dahil nga out of your curiosity kung paano natin about the medicine ng aking asawa, paano namin tinatransport. So, since it is biomedicine, so yung araw, nakukuha kami ng medicine sa pharmacy, sa hospital. And then, may schedule lang yun kung anong oras siya kukunin. So, bago yan, kasi meron yung asawa ko palagi niyang nakakalimutan yung empty na medicine na nagamit na niya. So, I just remember now na kailangan ko palang ipano sa kanya. Kailangan nating dadalhin kasi kasama naman ako. Dadalhin natin pakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung transport natin ng kanyang medicine. So, we have here, ito yung storage. Ito yung storage ng medicine niya. Bawal kasi ito itapon anywhere kasi there is a needle. Someone might use it. So ito yon, nandito sa loob. Once nakalock, hindi na po yan ma-open. So, dito siya nakalagay yung medicine na puno na siya. So, we need to give this back to the pharmacy na kung saan namin kinukuha yung medicine niya. So, how do we transport the medicine na kukunin namin? I will pick up the bag of that we use to transport his medicine. So, this is the bag. This is provided by the hospital naman siya. So, it has 6 compartments dito sa outside. And then, there are 2 compartments here inside. And the middle is where you're going to put the medicine. So, pinrovidean din siya ng yung parang ice na gagamitin for that pag-transport. So, I will show you. Pick up ko muna yung ano natin. Yung ice. Pakita ko sa inyo since gagawin din namin. So, we have here yung 6 na ice na provided din at saka ito, 2. Yung parang bottle siya na yan, ice na. So, we will put it here around. So, normally, we prepare this 1 hour 30 minutes before para hindi namin makakalimutan. At saka yung may code na pinrovide ng doktor para iscan. Ganito po yun. Yung ice natin, ilalagay natin dito. Yan. Dito natin ilalagay sa may mga bulsa-bulsa. Yan. So, 6 yan. Dito around. Hindi ko na ilalagay lahat ha. Kasi maaga pa eh. Mga 1, 2, 3, 4 hours to go pa. Bago kami aalis. Baka matunaw. Tapos ito. So, the 6 is surrounded here. Tsaka dito. At saka yung 2, dito nilalagay. Kasi importante ito lalo na pagpa-summer. Kailangan ma-maintain yung temperature po ng medicine 5 degrees, not lower than that. Tapos, yung medicine niya, dito siya ilalagay. Yan. Box lang naman yun. Isang box lang naman yun. So, yan. Dito siya ilalagay. So, nami-maintain yung temperature. This is a thermo bag. So, ayan. Ganyan yung pag-transport po ng medicine, biomedicine ng asawa ko. Yan. Para kasabihin nyo, fake lang para may viewers. Walang fake dito sa channel na to. Ang sinasabi natin na yun talaga yun ang buhay, totoong buhay natin dito. So, ganyan. Ganyan yung transportation ng medicine, biomed ng asawa ko. Every month. So, Yeah. Tapos, siya na lang yung nag-i-inject dito sa bahay. So, ibalik ko muna to para hindi makalimutan ba. Para hindi masyado matunaw ng maaga pa. So, ito dinanda ko na yung para dalawang bag ako ito para kasi nakakalimutan niya kaya puno na. So, we have a two new storage din doon. So, lagay ko ito sa sahig. Tapos yung bag, so para ma-remind siya na dadalhin natin yun mamaya. So, ready na rin natin. Actually, siya naman ito nagre-ready. Wala lang, dahil i-vlog ko, yan. So, i-ready na natin. Nandun siya kasi sa kanyang mama, dahil tinawag, dahil nga may kumuha siya ng supply namin ng karne for this month. So, yesterday, his father already gave us yung honey, yung cabbage, kada buwan, makikita nyo yan, ganyan palagi. Tapos yung namin, yung fig, dried fig. So, sobrang dami na nating stocks dito sa bahay. So, thankful pa rin kahit paano, diba? And today, we also bought our daughter. Grabe si Beatriz, binilhan siya ng papa niya ng, ng charger. Ayan, binilhan ng charger. Ang cute ng charger. Diba? Tapos, gusto kasi ng anak namin, may organizer. May organizer siya. Tomorrow is her computer day. So, chinarge na namin para ready na. So, it's charging para doon sa school. Kasi konti lang yung charging station nila doon. So, ready na. Tapos, binilhan siya namin today ng mouse pad. Nagyan namin na pangalan na para wala siya kasing mouse pad. So, she has here her wireless na mouse. Yan. So, akin to. So, yan. And then, I bought her organizer. Kasi nga, gusto niyang organize yung gamit niya. So, binigyan siya ng papa niya for the past, nung birthday niya, ng mga mechanical pencil. So, ang daming mechanical pencils. And also this, mga niya, lid ba. So, yon para ma-organize niya. But I want her to do it later. Ayokong pakialaman. So, her father also gave her this compass. Ngayon, gamit pa to ng papa niya nung college. So, yan. Ay, sukok. She already know how to use this one. So, yan. May pencil here. Okay. At least, bata pa, marunong na siya gagamit nito. This is needed when you are in engineering naman. So, this is really useful. And we also gave her already this Rotring template. This is my favorite brand when it comes to template. Kasi, yung isang brand na Staedtler, parang pag-trace mo, parang na kinakain din yung plastic. But that Rotring is really nice. But when it comes naman sa mechanical pen, tech pen I mean, maganda yung brand ng Staedtler compared to, basta kayo na ganun yung recommendations ko lang na brand when it comes to template, Rotring. But it comes to tech pen, I use Staedtler. Mas maganda yung Staedtler kasi yung Rotring palaging parang extra na black pag nag-drawing ka. So yun yung ginagamit namin. So this one, I don't know what brand this is, but this is from Germany. 1980s pa yata to. So yan. So, yun yung mga basic kasi basic necessity na kailanganin ng aming anak. Bakit hindi ko po pinipink lahat ng gamit niya? Kasi gusto ko na paglaki niya, yung mutual lang, na di ba na kayang girly or sa ganyan. But since she grow up na, gusto niya yung na pink. So, I decided to give her pink na. Yun ito. Minnie Mouse. Pink. Mga watch. Pink. Tsaka ito. Gusto pink. So, mga pink na. At least, she already know her identity. Kung anong gusto niya. Yung preference niya. na as a kid, di ba? Hindi natin pinipilit na dapat mag-pinkish-pinkish ka, mag-girly-girly ka talaga. So, ganyan. So, yeah, that's how it is. That's how our life here. So, my husband is here. Let's see. Tingnan natin. Oh, so big orange chicken. Oh, okay. I will make burger. My mother-in-law gave this. Kasi sinabihan niya ako kung anong gusto ko. Ayaw ito, wag lang pork. Kasi hindi naman siya kumakain masyado ng pork na. Madami pa kami dito sa fridge. Tsaka ito yung banana again. Chicken. Ito masarap to isog ba. Tsaka she give us oranges. Okay.
Hello.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
I think I will make burger since it's still early. No. You look good. So, yan yung ano natin, yung ating, and then we bought for Beatrice, kasi pag pinipick up siya namin sa school, we need to give her something, kasi hindi siya nag-break time, naglalaro lang siya at 3 p.m. So, supposedly, that is also their short break to eat, pero hindi siya nagbe-break. Talagang naglalaro lang siya. So, she's hungry when we pick her up around 5. So, dinadalhan siya namin ng pagkain. And this is for her. This is a croissant, brioche. This is for her tomorrow to bring. Yeah. And then this orange, I think I will eat one of this today. And so, guys, I just finished lunch. Burger, homemade. Ako po gumawa niyan. With tomato and cucumber. Yan yung lunch ng asawa ko. At yung sa akin, nakahiya naman. Yan yung sa akin. Plus, rice is life. Ayan. So, this is with olive oil, salt, and vinegar. Yan lang. Yung salad natin. Wala ko silang lettuce today. You like it?
It's changing different colors.
Yeah. Come on here. And, wait lang. This is the medicine. Yan, guys, kakauwi lang natin. Wait for Mama Beatrice. Kakauwi lang natin. Beatrice is here. We just pick her up. So, ito yung medicine natin. Ganito siya. And, the medicine of Papa. We pick up. So, ito po yung medicine ng aking asawa. Yan. Lipatan natin sa ref para hindi na tayo mag-ano. Sa temperature ba. So, ayan. And, Beatrice, we've got a surprise for you. You can go to your bedroom. You drink your water. Drink water first. After you eat that. Ginotom. Pero kumain niya ng milk ka. She don't eat her gelatin today in school. So, because she says she already...
Mama, do you see any bread with butter here?
No, you eat all? Very good.
Actually, 2 pieces.
Oh, very nice. You want to check first what you have inside the room? I have something for you there. So, we already charged your laptop. You want organizers, right?
This is perfect.
Yeah? You can remove that paper. Yan. You can remove that and then you can later put it.
Cool.
Then, have more of that. Yeah, you can remove. You can remove this one.
Are you kidding?
You can remove this, or you can put it also. So you have here all your pencils. You can put it there, and this
This
one.
is the perfect organizer.
Yeah, perfect organizer. Then you can put it inside there, or you can put it here. The pencil, you can put it here.
What is this?
That's for the ball pen.
These are ball pens.
These are pencils.
What?
So you can put it here inside Beatrice so it will not scattered. And the other one too.
But where was my ball pen?
You can put it here too. Yeah. See, and Beatrice, we bought something for you too. What is this?
A mouse pad. Wow, it's so soft.
Yeah, this is for your hand to like that. Yeah? Are you happy?
Wow, it says my name.
Yeah, it has your name. So this one, you can put it here on top of the table. And then you want something. Or there. Yeah.
And Mama,
Mm.
I can use this side for the pencil.
Yeah, you can also put it for the pencil. Yeah? So yeah, you can organize
Better
your
than
thing.
pencil case.
Yeah.
But,
So we already charged your laptop. It's already charged.
there's still something inside, like a fly or something.
No. It's only a small thing. Mama still don't clean it up a bit. Ay, it's
Oh
okay.
my goodness.
It's okay na?
That was scary.
Yeah, what is this on your lips? What is black on your lips there? So how's your day today? Huh? How's your day in school?
It's okay.
It's okay? Okay na. Mama will cook food na, okay? Okay?
And I can put my pencils in here, this
Yes,
side
of
and
course.
this side.
Of course.
So,
Okay. Okay, Mama will cook na, okay? See you. Bye. Bye na.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Mama, where's
Thank you for watching.